This year, 11 exhibitors had the honor of receiving the Best Booth Awards. AAPEX TV spoke to 3 of those winners. BTS Industries took home the award for the best 10x10 booth on level 2.
We spend quite a bit of time working with a 10-foot booth. It's a very limited space. You have a fraction of a second to attract attention. So we spend months planning what would go on it graphically, choosing colors, getting just the right amount of time for each element in the 10-foot booth.
And the winner of the best linear booth, over 200 square feet, and best in show, 100 square feet or linear, went to Ullman Devices.
Coming to the show, we didn't even know that there was, the awards for it. It was just our efforts we were going to do regardless, and to be recognized for it by the industry is awesome.
While Gates Corporation won 2 awards.
We wanted to show how the parts interacted on the vehicle itself, and so we find that it's easier to explain to people, and people understand it better when they see it as a system. And also we wanted to humanize it. We wanted to show the booth, to make the booth inviting, educational, engaging.
Congratulations again to all of this year's winners.